भव सभा तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। हे प्राण पवित्रता और आनंद के देने वाले प्रभु, आप स्वर्ग और सकल जगत के उत्पादक हैं। हम आपके उत्तम पाविनाशक ज्ञान स्वरूप तेज का ध्यान करते हैं जो हमारी बुद्धियों में प्रकाशित रहता है। आप सदैव हमारी बुद्धियों में प्रकाशित रहें और हमें सत्कर्मों की ओर प्रेरित करें। चलिए फार्मिंग करें अगेन once more. Now see what I'm going to do. Just look at me. See like this. You have to come and join your heels and like this. Got me? See, look at me. How they will sit like this only. Am I right or not? Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, join your knees, join and open, join and open, joint and open, join and open, and go down. 1, 2, very easily you can go down. 3, you can keep this also. 4, 5, cushion also you can keep if you can't go down. Up, down and up, and that's all. Lie like this for 1 second. Rest yourself for 1 second only. Now see what we are going to do. We are going to learn lizard pose, but before that we will do shoulder tapping, mountain climbing and jumping. Okay, 3 things at a time. Come on, let's start. Like this. Here, plank pose. First come in plank pose and then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now see, push up. 1, 2, 3, go down. 4, 5, come down. You are very much far away from the floor. Come down and do push up. See, like this. Yes. See, in plank pose you have to come. See, plank pose. Yesterday and every day we are doing plank pose. Okay, plank pose. Then down, up, down and up. Come on. Do this at least 2-3 times. Yes. Ashwarya has done. Yes, Vidya. Very nice. All are doing good. Now see other push up. You are sitting on your knees and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up. With your one hand you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up. Now again, come on your plank pose and let's do mountain climbing. 1, forward your legs, knees should be forward, back, 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 and then jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and rest in child pose. Child pose, rest. Oh, oh, oh. Now see, try to learn lizard pose. One kind we will learn today. Others so many are there. Shying lizard, reclining lizard, so many are there. But we will learn a regular, what? A regular lizard. See how to do. Like this. First bring this here. One leg should be forward like this. See like this. See like this. Very simple it is. It is a simple one. When you go down, down and down, down and down, your arm should touch here. Then it becomes what? It becomes actual lizard. But we will do today practice of simple lizard like this. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. It should be front. Yes. Now see, raise your knees, that other one also. And like this you have to stand. Got it? Now take back. Now another one should come here. Between your hand. Hand should be down like this. And raise your leg. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go down. Down. Again. Change your feet. Change your feet. Change your feet. Push up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then go forward like this and touch with your head touch the floor. Hold the position. Come on. Yes, come forward. Same thing you have to do from other side also. We have done so many times. Now say push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take wider. Leg should be more wider. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and child pose. But wider leg. Child pose with wider leg. Now you can do one more thing. Go back, come forward. Go back, come forward. Go back means down. Go back, down, forward, down, forward, down, forward, down, forward, down and hold the position. See like, yes, hold the position. Now see with both the legs. Open the wider legs, both the legs, go back, and come here. As I showed you in Prasarita Padottanasana. Go down. Hi, my goodness. Go down, up, go down, up, and slowly just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hips down. Only hips down, wider leg, hips down. Wider leg, hips down. Wider leg, hips down. Wider leg, hips down and down. Oh my God. Come here. Now see what other things if you can do. I'll show you. See. Like this. Okay. 1. This is a very simple, so many times I told. 3. Why we are doing? Because we want to do mid split. Mid split means both the legs wider open and you are sitting. This, yes, forward, backward. Now see, straight and this. Straight your leg and then fold. Straight your leg and then fold. Straight your leg and then fold. Do this practice every day actually we must do, but there are other things, so I involve myself in other things and I forget to do this. You please remind me this hip exercise every day. Now from other side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now straight fold, straight fold, straight fold, straight fold, straight fold, straight fold, straight and fold. Got it? Got everybody? So we have to focus on this so that we can do so many things which we are not doing at present. Now sit like this on Vajrasana. Now see up, see up and down, very simple. Up and down, 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 up and down. Other thing. See like this you have to, you can sit also like this. See I am sitting like this, you can sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold your other foot. Show me. She is doing right. Only Aishwarya is doing right. Just look at me, beta. Just look at me. This is folded. Sitting like this only. This is wide spread. Like this you have to spread. Now. 90 degree. 90 degree. Take back your leg. Yes, this. Now see. One, you can hold this now. Very simple. Yeah. Hold it like this. Otherwise, you can hold this. 1. From back you have to take your hand. 2. From back. Yes. 3, 4 and hold the position. Very good. Now other leg. Same thing from other leg. Very simple. See, just fold. Take it here. This is, I don't know. I don't remember the asana. This is some asana's name, you know. Something like that. Otherwise, I will tell you. This is Janu Shirts but reclining pose. That's it. From this side we are doing. But the name is, proper name is, you just find out the name of this asana. Right there that we are doing this. What is an asana name? It will come. Otherwise, what we will say? Touching your head to your knees, to your feet. Touching your head to your feet. And we want to touch here. Or touching your hand with the knee. But you have to find it proper. See, put this on the other side. Opposite hand, na? Opposite hand. Yes. 1. Now see, this side is very difficult to do. 4, 5, 6. And try to hold and look forward. Come on. Yes. Very nice. This is one of the very important, what I should say, yoga. And the other thing which you can do in Vajrasana only. See, look at me. Just cross this and come down. Cross this. Cross your what? Hand, arms, and straighten your arms and just look down. Yes. This is one of the asana, one of the pose you can do. Come on. Yes. No. Straight. This should be straight. And down your face. Got it? Very nice. Everybody is doing properly. Very nice. No. Go back, better sit properly on Vajrasana and then do like this. Like this. Change. Go down. Change. Very nice. Now see other thing which you can do. Up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Fold properly, beta. Down. Fold, beta. Fold your arms. Join your arms together. Yes, up, down.
Like that.
Elbow, elbow. Yeah. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Very nice. I'm so happy that you are following me quickly. Now see. Just lie on your stomach. We will do Surya Namaskar straight away. Standing asana, no. Why? Only 1 or 2 will be possible. So, lie like me. On your stomach, yes. Now 3. Look, listen to me. Yesterday I told you sitting asana. Do you remember? Vakrasana. Yes. What is the other? Yes. Janushirshasana. Yes. Yes. Atmasindra asana, Vakrasana, then that back Ushtra asana, then Supta Vajra asana. Kamar Chakrasana. You must remember. See, 10 asanas were there, but you don't remember the names. You must remember. Okay. Today I will teach you this on stomach. 3 asana. You must remember. Tomorrow I am going to listen from you. See, this is first one is Ardha Bhujangasana. Keep here. Keep here. Ardha Bhujangasana is very important for improving your postures. For better posture, number 1 for your heart, number 2, number 3 for your belly fat loss, number 4 for your stomach, for your this lungs. It's very good. See, this much only you have to raise. Very little your elbow, very little your elbow and straight. Very little your neck. This elbow should be very little. Go down. Arre. No, not like this. Soumya, just put like this. Put like this. Yes. And raise. Straight. Yes. Arm should be straightened. In child pose, how we do? Down your hand. And raise your this. Not your arms. Yes. Up and up. Come on. Hold the position. Swadhisthana Chakra. Focus on the Swadhisthana Chakra. And slowly come down. And now full Bhujangasana. Full Bhujangasana means straighten your arms. And up. Till navel you have to go up and look back up. Up and up. Look on the right side. Look on the back side. But don't spoil your position. It should be like this only. Just you have to move your neck and nothing else. And focus. Rest on the lotus pose. Like this. Raise your leg. 1, 2. And try to touch your feet on your buttock. 1. Push. 3, 4, 5, 6. Both the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And hold. Hold the position. Yes. Slowly go down. Makarasana, rest. See what you have learned. Ardha Bhujangasana, Purna Bhujangasana and lotus pose. Raising your legs from behind. Okay. Now next one. Just look at me. Put your hand on your thighs. Come on. Put your hand on your thighs from the down. Yes. Raise one leg only, and chin on your floor. Chin on the floor, touch your chin on the floor and raise one leg and hold the position. Take the support of your hand from your thighs. Raise and raise. Hold the position. This is called Shalabhasana. What is this? Shalabhasana. Slowly go down and down. And then raise other leg. Up and up. Hold the position. As much as you can raise. Slowly go down. Now see, take one breath. Raise both the legs up and up. And touch your chin only on your this. Up and up. Straight. Hold. And slowly come down. And rest on Shithilasana. Right side. Right side should be straight and you can rest. Shithilasana. Yes. Now come forward. Both hand together here. This is Nokasana. Namasana, Nokasana, whatever you can say. Like this, you have to keep both the hand front side, right? Now see what I will do. One arm and one leg, opposite leg. That is right hand, but left leg. Raise and raise, raise and raise, raise and raise, and hold the position. Come on, hold the position. Raise and raise, straight. Hold the position. Straight hand should be straight. Hold the position and slowly come down and touch the floor with your head. Now see, left hand and right leg. Okay, up and up, up and up. Come on, up and up. This is very good for your backache. Just remember, for backache, for hump, for hunched back, very, very important. Down for wrong posture. Now another is very important. Both the leg and both the hand. Come on, both the hand, both the leg. It's on your stomach only. Hold the position. Now see, down, up, down, 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 up and rest. For Makarasana or Shithilasana, left side you can do. Here only you can do what? You can do Dhanurasana. Fold your one leg, take the other leg, both the leg join and up and up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smile on your face. Come on. Up and up. Only on your stomach. This is called Dhanur pose. Very essential for the flexibility of your legs, backache, and so many other things, and belly fat loss. 1, up and down. Come on, revolve yourself. Rotate like this. Go down and come up. Go down and come up. And then sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and rest. Come on, rest. Makarasana, whatever asana you want, but rest. Feel the effect on your body, blood circulation, oxygen, back flexibility. So many advantages at a time. Your metabolism is increasing. You are getting energy. Your strength is improving. Yes, come and sit. So many lying asanas we have done today. Now sit. We will do Surya Namaskar, and after that pranayam. Come on, get up. Yes. See, I am very much older than you. If I require that much rest, you should not require more rest than me. Am I right or not? Yes. What we are going to do? We will do? Yes. After Surya Namaskar, plank pose, and then pranayam. Because so many pranayams are there which I have not taught you. Only Anulom Vilom I told you. Okay? Now see. First that only we have to do. God, there is no help. See, like this. Up and up. Come on. You have to walk on your toes. Come on. Walk on your toes. Improve the strength of your foot or feet. Yes. Go. Walk on your heels. Back walk. Front walk. Fold your outside, your feet outside, and then walk. Go back. Then inside. Then go back. On your place, you can do so many things. See, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up and up, hold. And then this side. Fold your fingers, fold your toes of your feet. Come on, fold your toes. Up and up, come on. And slowly down. We will do knee exercise. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. And then rotate from inside to outside, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Both together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other side. And can't you burn that bulb? You can light up with here. Not here. Okay. Not working. Okay. Now see, Surya Namaskar. We'll start. Okay. Om Mitraye Namah. Om Ravye Namah. Slowly go down. Om Suryaye Namah. Right leg back. Om Bhanve Namah. Both the leg back. Om Khagaye Namah. Om Divakaraye Namah. Om Ushne Namah. Om Hiranyagarbhaye Namah. Om Mariche Namah. Om Adityaye Namah. Om Savitri Namah. Om Arkaye Namah. Om Bhaskara Namah. प्रणामासन, आज्ञा चक्र पर ध्यान, पाद हस्त उत्थान, विशुद्धि चक्र पर ध्यान, पाद हस्त मणिपुर चक्र पर ध्यान. टेक राइट लेफ्ट लेग बैक. दिस इज अश्व संचालन स्वादिष्ठान चक्र पर ध्यान. बोथ द लेग बैक. सहस्रार चक्र पर ध्यान. दंड पोज अंजना चक्र पर ध्यान. अष्टांग 8 पॉइंट कॉन्टेक्ट अनाहत चक्र पर ध्यान, दिल के पीछे. मूलाधार चक्र पर ध्यान. सहस्रार चक्र पर ध्यान. लेफ्ट लेग फ्रंट स्वादिष्ठान चक्र पर ध्यान. राइट लेग फ्रंट मणिपुर चक्र पर ध्यान. अप एंड बैक, बैक एंड बैक, विशुद्धि चक्र पर ध्यान. एंड स्लोली आज्ञा चक्र पर ध्यान. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and shant. 1, 2, back and back. 3, down and down. 4, left leg back. Right leg back. Then like this, dand. Ashtang. Bhujang. Parvat. Left leg front. Right leg front. And down. Hand up and back. And slowly. Yes, Aishwarya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Yes. Soumya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12.
Vidya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Oh, I will do the last one. Just wait 1 minute. Let me do the last round so that my hairs don't move here and there. Feel irritated, you know. Yes. Now see. 1, 2, back and back. Hold the position. Slowly down. And hold the position. Come on. Take your left leg back and hold the position. Look front. Inhale. And then by exhaling, Parvat. Go back here and try to touch your feet on the floor. And then Danda pose. Hold the position. Go down. Ashtanga. Hold the position. 8-point contact. 2 knees, 2 feet, 2 palm, 2 elbow, chest and chin. Then Bhujanga. Muladhara Chakra. Again Parvat. Sahasrara Chakra. Try to touch your feet on the floor and take your head back and back on your knees. And then left leg back, front. And then look up. Inhale. While exhaling, go down and touch your knees with your head. And come up and go back. Hold the position. And slowly. Pranam. Just lie down. Once we will do 4 Surya Namaskar and I will teach you Chandra Namaskar. Next week. Chandra Namaskar also have more than 12. That is 14 or 16, something like that. 16 asanas are there. Next week, Monday, I will teach you Chandra Namaskar. Other side also. Yes, please, other side also. Rest yourself. Proper rest. Relax. Put all the weight on the earth. Try to focus on your body. Just imagine all the parts are working well. Sakshat Dandavat. Up your hands, folded hands up on the sky. Yes, this much is enough. Now we will do plank. See, what's the time, Aishwarya? 6:25. Okay. 2 minutes this and 10 minutes for pranayam. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ram Ram 1, Ram Ram 2, Ram Ram 3, Ram Ram 4, Ram Ram 5, Ram Ram 6, Ram Ram 7, Ram Ram 8, Ram Ram 9, Ram Ram 10, Ram Ram 11, Ram Ram 12, 13, Ram Ram 14, Ram Ram 15, Ram Ram 16, Ram Ram 17, Ram Ram 18, 19 राम राम, 20 राम राम, 21 राम राम, 22 राम राम, 23 राम राम, 25 राम राम, 26 राम राम, 27 राम राम, 29 राम राम, 30 राम राम, 31 राम राम, 32 राम राम, 33 राम राम, 34 राम राम, 35 राम राम, 36 राम राम, 38 राम राम, 40 राम राम, 41 राम राम, 42 राम राम, 44 राम राम, 43 राम राम, 46 राम राम, 47 राम राम, 49 राम राम, 50 राम राम, 51 राम राम, 53 राम राम, 54 राम राम, 55 राम राम, 57 राम राम, 59 राम राम, 60 राम राम, 61 राम राम, 63 राम राम, 64 राम राम, 65 राम राम, 66 राम राम, 67 68 राम राम, 69 राम राम, 70 राम राम, 71 राम राम, 72 राम राम, 74 राम राम, 75 राम राम, 76 राम राम, 77 राम राम, 79 राम राम, 80 राम राम, 81 राम राम, 82 राम राम, 84 राम राम, 85 राम राम, 86 राम राम, 88 राम राम, 90 राम राम, 92 राम राम, 93 राम राम, 96 राम राम, 98 राम राम, 100 राम राम, 1 राम राम, 2 3 राम राम, 4 राम राम, 5 6 राम राम, 7 राम राम, 8 पूरी हुई मन का 100 मनोकामना पूर्ण हो जो निज करिए। अब राम जय जय राम, प्रभु राम जय जय राम, बसियो सीताराम, कल्याण जय जय राम। एंड शांत। मकर आसन में विश्राम। चलिए, we will do cat and cow pose and then we will do pranayam. See, look at me. Up, down, up and up. Take breath, all the body down and up, down and up. See, head up, all the body down and head down, all the body up. Pull your stomach, pull your shoulders up and up, pull your back up and then relax. Then down, then relax. Like this only. See, this types of wave should come when you are doing fast. Wave you can see like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's all. Oh. Sit in Ardha Padmasana like this. I will teach you at least 3 pranayama. Vakasana we will now only. Okay, do now only. Then afterwards we have to do. See, Vakasana. I have to take this support. Anybody wants, they can take this. Cushion is also there as you wish. Now 2 types of Vaka. See, one is like this. You have to put your head like this and come forward like this. Okay. Other one. You have to go forward. See, look at me. My arm straight and then folded. Automatically it will get folded. But you have to see forward and raise your legs. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And see how long I kept. As long. Very right. Oh, Ashra. Wow, beta, wow. You also do. Soumya, try to do. Take this block. Put your head on this block. You to do now your own style. You do that only. Yes, Vidya. Very nice. Oh my God. So much improvement today. Very good. You have done practice now. Both of you. You also did practice. But she has done, Hannah. You have done. Yeah, we can make out from your body that you have done practice. Yes. Do whatever way you want. Arey, put your head down now. See, like this. You have to put your head down. Here, touch your head like this. And then go up and up and up like this. Long breath. Hold and then take out from your nostril. See, I told you till now, alone we know properly. Today we will do Agnisar. What is Agnisar, madam? You have to hold your knees and stomach up. Forward, backward, and hold the position. Right? Should we start? Look at me first. Without taking breath. Breath is out. Okay? Without taking breath, what I am doing? I am squeezing my stomach and I am opening my stomach. Expanding, contracting. Move this down position. Now see. This is Agnisar. Got me? Just start do. You also do. Stomach inside, expand, stride, inside, squeeze and expand. Yes, without taking breath. Frequently you do. Hold your this. Arrange. there is no need to keep nose. Ultimately, it will not come. Why? Because you are just expanding and opening, expanding and opening. So it will, the breath will not come automatically. 2, start. 1. Frequently. Yes, Vidya. Yes. Soumya, very nice. Soumya, though I can visible because her tummy is there. That's why others are not visible. Very good. This is Agni Saha. Every day we will be doing practice of Agni Saha. Then we are able to do other asanas little bit early because we are learning, so we are taking long time for each and every asana. Now see, second, Noli Kriya. What is that, madam? Don't take breath and you have to rotate your stomach clockwise. Rotate your stomach clockwise and then anti-clockwise. How many stroke you can do? It all depends upon you. 10 or 11 or 5 doesn't matter. First clockwise, proper, and then anti-clockwise without taking breath. Got me? Got? Everybody got? Should I show you like this? See, clockwise. Shoulder will also be clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Stomach only. Got it? So every day we will do now. So once you will get, don't worry. By watching only you will get. Again I will do. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put too much pressure in your stomach. So take this 2 I told you. That is, one was Agni Saha. It is very helpful for your digestion. Second was, tell me, second was Noli Kriya. What is that? Third one, Kapalbhati. Everybody knows about it. Now see. You have to take out your breath and we push. You have to take your stomach inside, outside, inside, outside. It's just like Agni Saha, but you have to take breath also out. Now see, take breath and then breath should be out. Getting or not? Everybody has got it? Yes, then do. Breath should be out. And stomach should be inside and outside, inside and outside. Again and again outside only breath. It will not go inside. It will go outside only. So just outside only. Got it? Yes. With sound. So this was Kapalbhati, which is very good for the cleanliness of your stomach and for weight loss of your stomach and for fat belly. Now other one is Anulom Vilom. Everybody is doing Anulom Vilom. Left leg, nose you have to inhale. Right leg, right nostril, exhale. Then right nostril, inhale. And then left nostril, exhale. Straighten your trachea, spine, and then start. A long breath, it should be long breath, a little bit hold and then take out air from your right nostril. Take from your right nostril and take out from your left nostril. Okay, this was Anulom Vilom. So 4 pranayam we have done today. Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, Agni Saha and Noli Kriya. Sit in Malasana. We have not done prayer or we have done prayer. Very good. I thought we are not for that Malasana, but very nice that we have completed. Now, eyes exercise. Center, left, center, right. Center, left, center, right. See far, near, up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at your nose from left and right side. Look at your nose from left and right side. Take that up, down, right, left, and rotate your one. Keep other one on your back. Yes. Anti-clockwise. Take on the right hand side, bring on the left hand side, and Pratak. That is far, near, and hold. Other thumb. Up, down, right, left, and look at your nose, and then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and take back and back. Don't move your neck. And slowly bring on the right hand side. And then far, and then near. Far, near, Tatak. Far, near. And hold the position. Now both the thumb. 1, 3. Look at the tip of your thumb. And then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, anti-clockwise. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bring it close to your eyes, and hold the position. Open your eyes. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right, left, and clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And palm your eyes. Palm your eyes. Now say blink your eyes again and again. Come on. Fast blinking. Press your eyes. Press your eyes and take out all the polluted water. Press your eyes. Blink one eye. Closing other eye. Fast. Cover your face with your hands and try to see in the dark. Open your eyes in the dark. Try to see in the dark. Relax. 3 fingers and massage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the other side. That is anti-clockwise. And then 2 fingers. Just tap your eyes. Slowly tap your eyes. Raise your eyebrow and massage your forehead. And then here on the sides of your face. Forehead and press. Forehead and press. Ear massage. Ear massage. And pull your ear from up and down. And close. Up and lower portion. Try to press. And then ear massage. Now say nose massage. Cheeks massage. Forehead massage and then eyes massage. Pull your whole ear and the face. Pull your feet. Pull it. Come on. Pull it. And tap your face. Come on, tap your face with blood circulation. And massage on your neck. And then Kapos Shakti Vishesha. And exhale from your left nose. Again. Exhale from your left nose. Now next what you have to do? Balloon your face. Eat the air. Left and right. A-E-I-O-U-V. Now see, rotate your tongue. Anti-clockwise and clockwise. Take your jawline back and forward. Press your lips. Next, balloon your face. Close your nose and take out air from your ear. And close it there. Om Astoma Sadgamya. Om Tamsoma Jyotigamya. Om Riturma Amritgamya. Sarvesham Swasti Bhavatu. Sarvesham Shanti Bhavatu. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Sarvesham Puranam Bhavatu. Loka Samasta Sukhina Bhavantu. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukh bhag. Om Trimakam Yaja. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Urvarutmavivandanam. Vritir Mokshi Mamrita. Om Dyo Shanti Antarikshagam. Shanti Prithvi. Shanti Rapa. Shanti Yoshadhaya. Shanti Vanaspataya. Shanti Vishwadeva. Shanti Brahma. Shanti Sarvagam. Shanti Shanti Reva. Shanti Shama. Shanti Revi. Om Shanti. Make Ganesh Mudra and put on your lap and just few seconds silent. Try to see the divine light in the center of your forehead. Yes. Adopt all the positive energy. Rub your hands. Adopt all the positive energy. And at the last, Ram. Sandosham. 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 Pray to your parents. This Earth, Surya.